Good morning friends, today I will continue the solid problem. In that problem is given the cone of 30 diameter. First I will write data. The cone diameter is 30 and 30 axis length means length of the cone is 30 axis length is also 30 Rest on HP always. One of its generator, the generator means the surface is inclined to 0 degree angle. Generator. Draw the projection when the axis inclined, that is called as a beta problem. The VP equals 30 degree beta problem, because in the question is mentioned axis inclination VP at 30 degree. That's why it's called a beta problem. I will show you how to write the beta problem. First, draw XY line. One end is called as a Y, another end is called as a X. VP and HP is the first quadrant, so that's why you have to write VP and HP. Now, the diameter is given 30 you have to measure 50. Radius you have to measure, then you will get diameter. From this center you have to draw circle. Now the diameter is 30 Now we have to creating a corner because of the projection, so that's why draw one horizontal line through the point, draw one vertical line through the point. After that 45 degree, 45 degree, 45 degree, mark it. That line is called the 45 degree line. Now you have to write A point, B point, C, D, E, F, G and H point. O and O1 is visible, O1 is not visible. Next, cone you have to write from front view, project from the A, project from B, C point, D point, E point, baseline. The height is given 30 axis length, so 30 I have to measure. Axis line you have to draw. Then join all the corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4. From bottom view, the C point is visible, C dash, D point is visible, D dash, E point is visible, D dash. Same F point is not visible, you have to write F dash. G point is not visible, G dash. H point is not visible, but B point is visible, A point is visible. Now O1 dash is visible, O dash is not visible. This is called the first step. But in the second step is given generator. Generator means the surface of the cone is inclined to 0 degree angle. So that's why I will select any one point. The angle is 0 degree. Just you have to take compass, measure last line. E to O you need to measure. E to O. The first point is called as the E dash, O1 dash. After that you have to find out all the points. E to A. Cut E to A. Next O to A. The point is called as O to A. Join the line. If it is mentioned generator, you have to write 0 degree angle. Next, one by one, E to D, E to O, E to B, the center line is called as the axis line. Dark line, D is a dark line. Next you have to mention first D dash and F dash, O dash, C dash, G dash, D dash, H dash, A dash. Now you have to project to HP because first step is HP, second step is always HP. You have to project from first point is called as a E. The point is called as a E. Next, D and H is in the same line, so I will select D and H. This point is called as a D. Next, H. D and F. Next, O, C and the G is the same line. C, G. C, G and O is also in the center. Next, B and H. This line is called as a B. Next, H. Project that line is called as a H. Next, you have to write point A in the center. A. Now you have to join A, B, C, D, E. The first projection means the first element is called as a circle. If the circle is inclined some angle, it look like a ellipse. So that's why I have to write freehand sketch. First A to H, G, next F, you have to write a thin line. This is called as a ellipse, you have to write dark line. This is called as means the circle, if it is inclined some angle, the circle is look like a ellipse. Now you have to project O1. This is called the center line is called as a O1. It's called the O1. So that's why you have to join all the corners from O. C join, D join, B, O, E, F, G, H. Now have to join like that. Now, in that point, E to F and D is not visible. So E to F and G is not visible. Otherwise, you have to draw dark line. Is not issue. Next, the third step is given. VP is 30 degree beta angle. Draw a straight line. Select any one point. 30 degrees given. Measure 30. Degree. Select any one point. The point is called as a O1. O1. Next, measure O1 to O, measure O1 to O, this is called the O1 O, draw one locus, means one horizontal line. Next, once again you have to take O1 to O, O1 to O, so O1 cut O. Next, project that same line through the point. That angle is theta, you need to find out. Angle is 35 degree. Using the 2 points, you have to find out all the points. This is the O and O1. You have to find out the A, B, C, D points. First, I will find out 4 points from the center. A is in between O1 to O, so that's why we will cut A. That point is called as A. So O1 to A, you have to select. This is called as O1 to A. Next, O to E. O to E. You have to extend that line. This point is called as O. E, A. After that, you have to find remaining 2 points. G, O to G, and O to C, O to C, O1 to G, O1 to G. Next, O1 to C, O1 to C. Now we have to draw an ellipse using 4 points. From this point, you have to draw the ellipse. This point is called as O, the C and the G. Now, the F in between G to E means G to E. So measure E to F. E to F. Just you have to cut an arc. That line is called as the F, like that. Next, D is in between E to C. E to C. So from the E you have to cut. Next, the C to A in between, the B is in between C to A. From the C you have to cut B. Next, A to H in between A to G. From the A you have to cut H. From the A you have to cut H. Now H, A to G, that point is called as H. Next, F. Next, E to C, D. Next, B. Now you have to project, because HP from A. Now you have to join all the lines from O line, H, surface, D also you have to join. Now you have to project A line, the point is called as A dash. Next, H line, second line is called as a H dash. Next, G line, the third line is called as a G. That point is called as a G dash. F, the fourth line is called as a F. F dash. Next, E, from this corner is called as E dash. Next to D, same D need to project F, you will get a D dash. Next to C, so C need to project G line, that is called as C dash. Next to D, the D need to project H point, this is called as D dash. A, next to you have to write that point is called as a B, need to write the point is called as D dash. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Next you have to find out O also. From the center, the line is called as a O. The center line is called as a O. O dash. Now O1 you need to find out. That point is called as a O1 dash. First you have to write one ellipse, A to B, B to C and C to D. Freehand sketch you have to draw. Don't use scale. After that, from O you have to write all the corners. O to H and B. From the bottom side, the B point is not visible, so that's why you have to write B is a dotted line, and C point is also not visible. You have to write C is a dotted line. Next to D, next to E. This is called the after inclination of beta. You have to find out beta angle. After that, you have to draw line. In bottom view, the B and C is not visible, so that's why you have to draw dotted line. And A is also is not visible, so better you have to draw. The A is also dotted line. That's it. Thank you.